Hi, I'm Nate with Big League Lawns. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the mounting arms to the top of your channel. So, depending on which striper you ordered, you've either got one of these, a mounting arm like that. Obviously you're going to have to assemble them, but the instructions will show you like this or like this. This is the biggest one for the biggest mowers. This is called mounting option D. That gives you the extension arms. So basically, a lot of guys have issues because when they get the kit, they get it like this. So the channel nuts are pre-installed, like so. They should be tight when you get it, so you're gonna have to take a wrench to it, and you're gonna take it out. A lot of times, customers will make the mistake of removing this entire hardware section, so they remove the channel nut as well. You don't wanna do that. You wanna leave the channel nut in there. It's simpler that way. You don't get confused. You don't have to take the end cap and slide it in, nothing like that. You just leave it right where it is. So take these out. And then the suggestion is usually to mount these, once you have these assembled, actually bolt them to your mower, because that tells you exactly where they need to be width-wise. So once they're attached to the mower, you take the striping kit and you center it behind the mower, and all you have to do is line up the channel nuts with the mounting arms pivoting off of the mower like this. So let's say this is one side of the mower. You swing it out, it pivots, right? And you just line up that channel nut and hand tighten this in. And you're gonna do that for all four of them. And then once you have that done, you are ready to do your final check and really center the striping kit. Once it's all attached like this, finger tightened, but this is attached to your mower, and you do it the same for this side. At that point, you can kind of mess around with it, see where you need to be behind the mower, you know, adjust this a little more here and there. But then once you're good and centered and you feel confident with everything and you lift it up and down, make sure it's not going to interfere with anything, that's when you just tighten it down. And from there, you're all set.